So I got a customer that's want to get the thicker fuse for his zero gauge today, and he's got a Nissan Murano. What year is this, buddy?
2010.
2010. So you install it yourself? So he installed it himself. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, he got that right. So what? What? So did you make this hole? Yes, you did. You drill a hole.
I got a cap to go.
So how you gonna do this?
Take it through here.
You take this through here?
Right into the battery.
You did this before? You just, this is your, because this is zero gauge.
This ain't my first time.
Ain't your first time? So let's pop the hood. Let's see.
Surprised.
I'm surprised right here.
It's ran like that all the way through.
All the way through. So hey, it's a good idea.
Twist tied.
So why didn't you run it down?
You can't, man.
You can't?
You can't.
All right, he just said he can't, so I'm not gonna say anything.
There's no way.
Let's pop this thing real quick.
Nowhere to run it down.
Let me see if it was me.
You'd have to drill a hole.
Yeah, you had to drill a hole. Yep. Yep, I would drill the hole down on the bottom right there by the the steering wheel
I had a wood
link.
bit and I didn't have a
Oh, you have a wood bit? Oh,
reason why I was
okay.
inside, like
So, but yep, that he's gonna run it up here, down here to his power right there with this right there. So this is Nissan Murano 2010.
10.
Guy right here. If you guys want to learn how to install an amp, do like him right there.
Well, pay attention when you do it.